Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer your data from your Android phone to your laptop or PC. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for an app called Wi-Fi FTP Server. As you can see here, Wi-Fi FTP Server. I've already installed it, so go ahead and install it on your phone if you haven't done so already. Once it's installed, then open the app. Now, you'll see a simple interface. Just tap on the Start button. As you can see, it's showing a server URL. Make a note of this URL, as we'll need it in a moment. Next, go to your computer. Open this PC on your desktop. Right-click on the interface and select Add a Network Location. You'll see the Welcome to the Add Network Location wizard screen. Click Next. Click Next again. Now, you need to enter the FTP server URL that was shown on your phone. Enter it here. I've already entered mine, so just click Next after typing it. Click Next again, and then Finish. As you can see, my mobile data is now accessible on my PC. You can browse your phone's storage just like any other folder on your computer. Now, you can easily transfer your data. Just copy the files you want to transfer from your phone, and paste them into a folder on your laptop. If you have any problems or questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.